quarter of a mile, turn right onto Westlake Drive. In a quarter of a mile, turn right onto Isla Bahia Drive. Then the destination is on your left. The destination is on your left.
So this is the house. One garage is on one side and two garages are on one side. What do you think?
I actually like it. The home is a little bit masculine, like the decor, the color. It's masculine, but it have a feminine touch, and I absolutely can appreciate that. I absolutely love it.
I know you're gonna ask this question, but the theater overlooks the canal. The canal is about 100 feet long. The water frontage, you could put an 80-foot boat, no fixed bridge. So this is your theater room, seating 6. And that overlooks, like these doors, they're telescopic, you could open them, therefore bringing the outside, which you have a full summer kitchen, sitting area, jacuzzi. So that can bring the outside inside. So off the sitting area, as you enter the only bedroom that's here, and then here you have a half bathroom, and most importantly, this is one of the garages. The ceilings are high enough to accommodate a car lift. So you can turn this into a 2-car garage. So this is the one bedroom that's located, the only bedroom that's located on the main floor. It comes obviously with a full bathroom, standing shower. So the second garage is actually, it's a 3-car garage, which ceiling high enough to accommodate 3 car lifts, therefore giving you 6 spaces. So this is the second garage. Right off the garage, you have the laundry area, I'm assuming?
Yeah, one laundry down here and one laundry upstairs.
Okay, so there's one down here, one upstairs, and then you have your dining room here. And then this is the entrance when you come in. You have a grand staircase. And I'll take you around to give you an idea. So you also have an elevator, which is very important. It might not be important now, but later on it will be. Okay, and then off that is your kitchen. Okay, and then another sitting area overlooking the canal. So this is the first floor living area in a nutshell. And don't forget, you have wine storage right here too. Very important for your collection. The thing Another thing is, as you enter the house, like I said, I was standing somewhere in this corner before, so this is the dining room. So the first thing you are greeted is the dining room, and then the grand master case, which leads to upstairs. If I were to guess, this is over a 20-foot ceiling. So I would say at least this is at least 24-ish. And then when you come up, you have a sitting area right here. So this is your second laundry room, so there's no reason for you to go downstairs if you're up here.
Converted this into a gym.
So one of your bedroom is a gym. Famous Peloton. It can be negotiated in the deal, but I'm sure you probably have one already. So this is another bedroom on the upper level. You have another sitting shower. I promise you, one of those bathrooms will have a bathtub. Mostly the master. Promise you. Once again, the master is gonna be right here, isolated for everyone's madness. So you have two bedrooms right here. Again, you have one here. You have another here with a balcony that faces outside. I showed that to you already. Did I go in there?
Yeah.
Okay. And then this is the balcony. This balcony is massive. It extends all the way to the master. I'll take you outside. This is one of the bedrooms that sets up for a little girl, so one of your daughters can live there, can live in here. So same premise. This one actually has a shower tub combination. So frameless doors. And then from this bedroom, you get a view of the canal as well. Okay, so let me just give you a feel for the balcony. There's a kitty out here. Kitty cannot come in. No, kitty. I'm sorry, kitty. And then this will be the master, its own balcony. So the balcony is shared between the master and then the family room, which is next to those bedrooms. So as it stands right now, this is an office, which if you so desire, you can convert it back to a bedroom. There's plenty of size in this. It has its own balcony as well, overlooking the streets. That's the bedroom adjacent to the master, which I'm going to take you. As you enter the master, so this is a her size. So shower, sitting area. I'm kidding, that's the master side. That's the men's side. I wanted to trick you. So this is a men's closet, obviously. And then of the men's, right across is the women's. Obviously, I don't even need to say that. You can see the difference. Happy wives, happy life. So again, if I were to guess, this bedroom is at least, I would say, what's the size of that?
I'm not too sure.
I would say it looks like a, 25 by 25, along that line.
6652 is total indoors.
Okay, so total indoor square footage is 62? 6652. Again, the master overlooks the canal, and this was the access to the balcony. Oh, one thing I forgot to capture. If you look at the details of the ceiling. You have a dining room here, and you have your outdoor kitchen. So your outdoor kitchen, needless to say. What else you have? And then the canal, it's roughly 100 feet from here to the end of the property. Hence you could dock a 100-foot boat, no fixed bridge, and so on and so forth. And this is the back of the house. So this is the house. One garage is on one side and two garages are on one side. What do you think?
I actually like it. The home is a little bit masculine, like the decor, the color. It's masculine, but it have a feminine touch, and I absolutely can appreciate that. I absolutely love it. I think it's very quaint and warm, and it's big but not too big where you feel lost in the home. Like everything kind of like just coexist together, and I like it.
Okay, by the way, guys, she has a nice outfit on. Look at her boots. You know, I have stud on. She got stud on. You know, I gotta tell you. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this open house. We didn't even do an introduction, but it's okay.
It's okay.
We don't have to do it all the time. Let's go, your sexiness. Wrong side.